Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add your website's sitemap to Google Search Console. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have a website and want Google to find and index your pages faster, adding a sitemap is a smart move. First, you have to go to search.google.com/search console. Then log in with your Google account. Once you are in, select the property or website you want to add the sitemap for. Next, look at the left-hand menu, then click on Sitemaps. Under the indexing section, this is where you're going to be indexing your sitemap link. Now, in the Add New Sitemap field, type your sitemap URL. For most websites, it's going to be something like sitemap.xml. So for instance, if your sitemap is example.com, you'd enter example.com/sitemap.xml. You have to make sure your sitemap file exists and it's also accessible. You can test it in your browser first before submitting it to avoid errors. And when submitting is done, Google will process the sitemap. If it's successful, you see a status update showing that it is discovered. And that's it. This helps Google crawl your website more effectively. Now, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, leave a like, and share it with people who might love this video. If you have other questions concerning Google Search Console, please leave them in the comments. I'll be able to respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.